Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Today we've got two unicorn DGLY jumping 150%. The other one is IBG 250%. This one, guys, reversed before our support, the 117, and now is testing a resistance for another breakout toward the $2. DGLY, it is consolidating up after getting rejected around the 8. This one was rocketing in the pre-market and now is coming back from below. So those are the two stocks. And of course, we got BIAF that we traded yesterday on our Hunter channel when we did this short. After we finish our live streaming, guys, so we said the 85 is the resistance, profit taking 98 and $1.26. We hit the profit taking around $1.60 even, and went down from there. So BIF was really great yesterday, but today is pulling back. RSLS flush down. Look at that, 60%, guys, or almost 80% after we broke the trend. So I'm gonna take it from the list for now. ICCT is down as well, almost 28%. So we have a correction for the stock that's been pumping the last few days. For now, I'm gonna focus on MLGO still, BIF, DGLY, and IBG number one. However, guys, IBG, if you live in Europe, is not available. Yes, I know, it's frustrating, but we don't have it. We can do nothing about this. So what we should expect for today, we got Netflix, Tesla pulling back down. So we have a bit of red day for today, guys. The market is pulling back. SMCI, nothing much, is pulling back down as well. The SPY is correcting down as well. So yeah, we have to watch the unicorn. Let us see if we got a new unicorn here. DGLY, QNRX. Let's see this one. Yeah. This one, it is, yeah, have a reverse split coming up on the 8th of April, guys, 1 to 20. That's why jumping before that. This one could be good as well if we broke the 47. For now, it is still holding the current support here, the 26. Q and RX. I'm gonna put it on the list. What else we got? CNTM maybe. Yeah, it's pulling back down. It is heavily shorted on the big picture. Heavily shorted on the big picture, so it's not completely ideal for a hunt, at least for now. Yeah, it pumped and dumped, but still holding 75% for today. So I'm gonna keep it on the waiting list. It might reverse later. This one I think is offering. That one, earnings. Let's see. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like button on the way in. We're still checking the market for unicorns. Yeah, we got IBG still number one and DGLY. Those the top two for today, guys. The rest is okay, but it's not perfect. So I'm gonna keep those stocks on the list. Assalamu alaikum, Jamal Jamer. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, SMCI looking weak a bit. The one that looked good right now, it is IBG for today. IBG looking great. So we got a huge news for IBG. So IBG expand US distribution of it is award-winning bitters through one of the nation's largest beverage alcohol distributors. Okay, we have a huge news regarding this. Let's see their website. I think this, yeah, they focus on drinks. They find the futures of alcohol. Interesting. Okay, so IBG have a huge news, guys. That's why I'm jumping right now. And DGLY, the same, jumping right now. Let's see this one. This one engaged in design, manufacture, and sale of digital audio, video recording, spill detection devices. Those are the main two stocks for today. Okay. Let's see. So the last news we got was this one closing 15 million public offering. And the last jump was yesterday, or yeah, yesterday after hours. Yesterday after hours and today pre-market. So yesterday after hours jumped 70% and today jumped 147%. Okay, Abhi. Thank you for the reminder. Tariff hitting today. We're gonna have turbulence for the market, guys. Today, turbulence. Turbulence is coming. The market will be pumpy. The market will be a little bit pumpy for today. Yesterday, we got a bit of correction because we didn't have a huge red day. You see, Tesla's okay, Microsoft, Nvidia. We have a little bit of green. Today would be a different story. Today it is a turning point. But IBG and DGLY doesn't care, guys. This list of the stocks we watching for day trade doesn't care about tariff or even World War III. Those stock will continue to jump. Guys, hit the like, hit the like. As we said, we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open to hunt for the market. How everybody doing? SBFM might run today. Rocket revenues and cancer news this morning. Interesting. Drink and trade. IBG. Santush, I'm not a drinker. So this stock is not for me. IBG. IBG, it is looking beautiful technically. SBFM, I was watching this one, but I don't like it that much. It look okay, but with the news, yeah, it look really beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna put it here, SBFM, because now it look all right. Yeah, I'm gonna put it there. SBFM looking all right now. Thank you for the reminder, Abhi or Santush. Yeah, Santush. Thank you. Emmys Bond, James Bond. How you doing, my brother? Which movie? Your favorite James Bond movie? Which one? Your favorite? Nice. Small profit is good for IBG, man. Really good. Watch out. Now we testing a resistance for IBG. Guys, we got three wonderful stocks right now. Three looking interesting. IBG, which we already discussed it here on our live streaming early. Reverse from our support, the 117, now testing our resistance, the 180. We got DGLY, the same, reverse, now consolidate for another jump up. And SBFM have a huge news, good revenue, and about to break this flag. So those the top three stock, guys. We got a question from one of our elite member, Night Rider or Night Trader. I always say Night Rider, not Trader. Night Trader. Uh, Blackberry. Aha, we discussed it early, man. We discussed early Blackberry. We have earnings for Blackberry, guys. Yeah, it broke the first support. Yeah, now we going toward the second support, the 279. It could be good to buy the dip here, man. Yeah, it could look, yeah, it look really juicy right now over the 284. If we held this good, man. If we didn't, it means we're gonna have a little dip toward the 253. So yeah, BlackBerry looking juicy, guys. After the bad earnings we've got. So BlackBerry, yeah, there's barcoding here. Yeah, it looks juicy. Yeah, it looked really juicy here. The resistance and now is on profit taking is around the $3.24. We got another level here, there. Yeah, the support is already been tested. And this is the other support, 253. And this is the current resistance on profit taking. 324. And in any case, if we continue to squeeze, it's $3.52. You should exit very quick if we went there. So yeah, BlackBerry looking interesting for a reversal after the earnings, man. Here's the chart, brother. Here's the chart. BlackBerry looking interesting for a reversal. Yeah, we're looking juicy for a reversal. Gonna put it there. IBG, DGLY, and SBFM are the one to watch. I'm gonna take those stocks from here. MLGO, I'm gonna keep it on the list. Good morning, everybody. Hit the like, subscribe to the channel. Wow, Tesla report 13% drop from the year ago, from a year ago. This is a huge, man. Guys, remember 13% in the company have like how much market cap for Tesla? I think it's more than 100 billion. Holy moly, almost 1 trillion. So guys, 13% of, let's say, not 800, let's say even 500. This is big number, guys. So if it's 1,000 trillion or 1 trillion, this is would be almost 100 billion. Let's say 50 billion, man, deficit. This is crazy big number. Let's see the revenue back here. What's the deficit? 1 billion. Oh man, this is bad. I think this time we're gonna have a deficit of at least 10 billion or 5. And I think we didn't have this drop before. 22 billion estimate revenue. And here, oh God, look at that. The estimate before it was 27 and now turned to 22. Yeah, almost 5. If we have the revenue around the 15 billion instead 22, would be crazy, man. Anyway, 25 before, 24, 22, 25. So we always over the 20, guys. So if we have this earnings coming in April below the 20 billion, would be crazy, man. Yeah, would be a big hit for Tesla. Big hit for Tesla, guys. Okay, let's bring our disclaimer for today. How everybody doing? Okay, so we got 5 minutes left. Disclaimer before we start our live streaming for today. Remember, guys, our live streaming is a bit delayed. We're not financial advisor, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Today we got tariff. The market will be shabby. Be careful. The market will be pretty volatile today. So let's get right to it. We only have 3 stocks to watch. The only thing you could do right now before the market open is hitting the like in order to hit the 50 likes for today before the market open. Let's get right to it, guys. And of course, remember, we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open, or 7 a.m. or 9 a.m. Yes, 9 a.m. Eastern time every day. Even if there is a hurricane or earthquake, whatever, we're gonna be there. Oh yeah, Mr. Flip Flop, this is a big turning point for Tesla. Exactly, man. As Elon Musk said, the hardest sector or business to get in is car business and restaurant business. And I think the worst one and the hardest one is car businesses. There's a lot of competition. The hardest one is the car business. Okay, let's go, guys. Let's go. Maybe, maybe we're gonna have let's see. Okay, Blackberry could be really good right now. Yeah, for reversal from the bottom. Yeah, we expect the $3.24 test for today and beyond, maybe. $3.11 before the market open. 1 minute left. 1 minute left, guys. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Blackberry started to reverse. Watch out, guys. Blackberry. Make sure to take profit, my brother, night trader. The price is about to hit the 3.24. Yeah, we might hit it at the market open, then we pull back. Right now, we have 1 minute left, guys. 1 minute left. Guys, hit the like button on the way in. Don't forget, let's get right to the business. Okay, let's get right to it. Market is open. Okay, IBG still trying to break the resistance. DGLY didn't break the resistance yet. SBFM looking great for a breakout here. DGLY looking great, guys. SBFM breaking out. Is about to test the $3.70. DGLY the same, looking great for a breakout. IBG pulling back. Blackberry, yes, it got shorted around the $3.22, man. $3.22 is the current resistance right now for Blackberry. SBFM the same. We have a fake out here. QNRX bumping up. MLGO on the sideways level. ICCT pulling back. RSLS. TNXB nothing. Blackberry trying to go up once again. SMCI in red. Uber is the only one in green. Tesla 5% down. Yeah, Blackberry might go up again. Holy moly, Blackberry did a huge jump right now. Are you kidding me? Okay, guys, Blackberry might go toward the 3.52. Tested the resistance again. The next resistance is the 3.52. SBFM, I think we have a fake out here. DGLY, the same, still didn't break the level. IBG, the same, still. Blackberry, guys, nice reversal, huge reversal for Blackberry right now. CRWV, what's going on? Yeah, Blackberry looking juicy right now. Yeah, MLGO is going down. Guys, be careful, the market is a bit red. CRWV, I don't like it that much, man. Yeah, new IBO, I think, so I don't like it that much. It will be good E-tries if it's held right now over the $50, or not a new IBO, but yeah, kind of a new IBO. $50, it is the current level of support. The first support is the 53.65. Bottom is the 43. Yeah, this one might go toward the 60, but yeah, it is kind of expensive. IBG, I think it's gonna go back down. DGLY is still hovering near the resistance. SPFM, sideways trading. Blackberry is the one, guys. Nice hunt, my brother. Night trader. Nice hunt for Blackberry. Make sure to take profit, brother, because there's a resistance right now around the 3.52 that we might get shorted at for Blackberry. It was really good to buy before the market opened. 12% right now. We might do 20% reversal. After that, we're gonna pull back. Yeah, Blackberry is good to take profit right now, guys, because we might flush. So I'm gonna take a profit here. Nice on Blackberry. Nice hunt on Blackberry. So what's else we got here? Yeah, this is it for Blackberry, guys. I think we're gonna have a pullback after that. SMCI pumping up, Nvidia pumping a bit. We have a bit of a recovery here for the market, but not much. DGLY, nothing much, broke the support. IBG pulling back. SBFM is the one that look good right now. Yeah, it could be good. SBFM, guys. DGLY pulling back. I'm gonna take it from the list. IBG, I think it's halted down. Let's see the stock that got halted right now. You are welcome, Night Rider. NCNO is reversing. I will check it. IBG is halted, guys, with LUDP. WTF. This stock's name is crazy. WTF is funny ticker symbol. FLX, WTF, and IBG are halted. Whoa, we got a lot of stock got halted today. Yeah, the volatility is back, guys. The volatility is back to the market. Let's check all those stocks. WTF is still holding, is unhalted right now. New IBO as well, guys, for this one. It is too risky to play, from my opinion, but it could be good. FLX, no good. This one, no good. This one, no good. So yeah, WTF could be good. Blackberry, guys, really good. I already exited from this trade, guys. It was good to enter here and exit there. One of our elite member, right, Night Rider, asked us about this just before the market opened, and we spotted a really nice bottom here around 284. It was really good. We discussed Blackberry together on our live streaming today, guys. Blackberry was on our hunt. And of course, we discussed this reversal before this drop after the earnings because Blackberry have earnings. Nice hunt, Night Trader. Blackberry was great play for today, man. So let's see NCNO. I will pass on this one, man. Yeah, reverse a bit late for me. No. I will not touch this one, brother. I will not touch it. IBG is gonna go toward the $1.17. SPFM squeezing. Guys, SPFM should be number one right now. With DGLY, CRWV, no good for me. WTF maybe later. So yeah, we got just IBG, DGLY, and SPFM. SPFM is number one right now. SPFM, it is number one, guys. SPFM number one stock for today. It held the $3. Now testing a resistance around the 390. If we broke it, we're gonna squeeze. But make sure to take profit right now because we might get shorted here. Just in case. We might get shorted right now, guys. SPFM, because it already jumped big. ENGS got halted. ENGS. Yeah, got halted down. Yeah, so SBFM is the one, guys. It is the one. Now it's pulling back a lot. So it's better to take a profit right now before flushing down. Yeah, I don't like this huge wick that happened around this level. So we might have a pullback because we got rejected around the $3.80. But still looking good for today. Still looking fantastic. IBG is unhalted right now. Guys, hit the like button and the way in. Don't forget to hit the like and join our hunter channel. The market, it is crazy, man. Today it is crazy. RSLS game over, 60% down. ICCT could be game on later. The market is still neutral. Netflix jumping, SMCI jumping a bit. Okay, we have a bit of green, guys. Coinbase jumping as well. Yeah, SPFM got shorted. We got strong resistance. Unfortunately, we didn't break exactly around the $3.90. What a hunt for today. Not bad. IBG reversing a bit, guys. Good afternoon, John. How you doing, man? SBFM flushed. Not yet. It's still holding the $3. If we held the $3, there is no flush. But yeah, it was wise to exit here around the $3.80. Yeah, we have a little bit of weak market because we don't have any unicorn that jump and squeeze for a new high after the market open. All of them went down. Okay, so the market might be turning to green, even though we have anticipation that will be red after the tariff would help the market today. But we have a green, a little bit green. Not a huge green, as you can see. It's just a little bit. MLGO is good for re-entry around the 19. We'll check. Nope, not now, man. It's not good. It's dangerous to enter here. The best entry for MLGO, it is once we break the 1721, the 1347. So either you enter very quick near the 17 and 1770, and if we reverse, you can take your profit around the 19 and 25. However, if we broke, you have to exit quickly, man. If we saw the 16 run, if we saw the 16, it mean MLGO will have another flush like what we had yesterday and go toward the 1350. So be careful, we might have a flush toward the 1350, 1370. Because yesterday we flushed almost 46%, and today we might flush again 30%. Yeah, because it's overextended. Good question, man. Good question, Night Rider. But yeah, 19, I don't like this level yet. IBG, guys, I think is halted up right now. Yeah, it is halted up currently. Yes, got halted, I think 5 minutes ago. So we might get unhalted right now. Yeah, we might get unhalted right now. Yes, exactly. Yeah. IBG, watch out, guys. Might retest the 180. It held over the support, so it's still looking good. We got AAME. Not good. IBG is still looking great. Ahmed, welcome, brother. I will check coin for you, of course. Coin, I think, is doing all right. Yeah, 2% up, reversing. Coinbase looking good, brother, because this is the support. Almost we tested the bottom around the 163. So for today, if the market turned red, we might revisit this support between the 160 and 146. So it's not clear yet because we have a little resistance here around the 186. The main resistance is the 207 and profit taken because we could do at least 15% to test this level. So yeah, Coinbase not bad because it's really near a juicy bottom right now. And this is depends on Bitcoin, of course. So yeah, Coinbase could do a huge gain for today. GRI. GRI for my brother John. 25% up. Okay, this one it is tricky because it have to break or almost breaking now the resistance around the 260. If it jumped, we might have the 290 and the $3.33 at least. Yeah, now it's testing the resistance, brother. Watch out. Huge resistance for this one around the 260. Current support and bottom is the $2. John, the unicorn for today is SBFM. Already hit our resistance and profit taking that we discussed earlier on our live streaming around the $3.90. It's still looking good as long as we hold the $3 exactly. If we broke the $3, mean we're gonna have a little reversal from the 267, and this is could be a good entry, and exit should be just below the $3 because we might pull back. If we have the $3, we're gonna have a retest for the $3.90 and go toward the 430 and $5. The other one, DGLY, looking great as long as we hold this first support, the 5 cent. Current resistance is the 8 cent. Profit taken is around the 10 cent and maybe even 25 cent. Bottom is the 36 or 0.36. Lastly, IBG, which is halted right now exactly around the 175. This one is about to squeeze, guys. If we broke this one or we got halted over the 175, this means we're gonna go toward the $2, $2.44, $2.90. Again, guys, this one is not available in Europe. Okay, is not there. Only in United States or Canada, but not in Europe. GRI looking great, brother. This is the one you asked me, so I've kept it here because it's still looking good for a breakout from the 260, and we might do how much here? 11%, yes, toward the 290. But those the unicorn for today. Those the top unicorn. GRI is squeezing at the moment, guys. GRI is breaking out. IBG still halted. DGLY nothing. This one is still nothing. GameStop or Coinbase, guys, as we said, it is jumping up because it already tested a bottom. There's a huge chance that we're gonna do a major shift or a reversal for Coinbase. It would be really good if we did at least another 4%. So I'm gonna put alert just in case here because we might get shorted around the 186. Yeah, IBG now number one, DGLY number two, and GRI number three. Yeah, GRI is about to hit the target, guys, around the $2.90. Nice, guys. This one is really good right now. It's fantastic. Yeah, it went directly toward the profit taking the $2.90. Hallelujah. Yeah, this one is really smooth, guys. And this one got shorted right, or halted right around the 175. AGMH, I don't put it, or I didn't like it. I took it from the list. AGMH, I think it's not good. Yeah, it's not good anymore. Game over for it. What a crazy day, man. What a crazy day. Eat rice, CRWV. The resistance is around the 60 cent. Let's see. CRWV. Yeah, the resistance is around the 60. Yeah, below the $60. But I don't recommend trading this one, man. It's really dangerous. The resistance even is not clear. So I don't recommend, I don't trust it because I don't see the resistance. The resistance is not clear. Okay, so IBG is looking interesting here for a breakout. We got DGLY, GRI almost hit the resistance, or already hit it. Now it's pulling back 286. SBFM, nothing much. IBG, I think is gonna get halted at any minute. Let's see if we got another stock halted already on the list or not. IBG is still halted. IBG is still halted. Let's see here. Wow, we got another list. JZXN, I think we checked this one. FLX is still halted again. GYD, WTF is still halted. And IBG, I think, halted around the 48. 58. It hold. We have 10-minute hold, guys, for IBG. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, 10-minute hold. So we got almost 2 minutes for IBG to get unhalted. 2 minutes halt, man, not 5. This one dead, this one dead, that one is dead. So yeah, we got, guys, 1 minute left. Yeah, exactly 1 minute left for IBG to get unhalted. 1 minute left. 1 minute left, guys, for IBG to get unhalted. Still updating. Okay, we halted around 9:42:30. So the halting unhalting would be open in 30 seconds. 30 seconds, guys. Or yeah, 30 seconds from now. Holy moly, we're gonna have a huge action for IBG. Even though we could not trade this one, is not available, guys, in Europe, but we watching it because it's the only stock that have active market. GRI is not good anymore. Flushed down after test our profit taken. SBFM still looking all right. We got 10 seconds left, guys. IBG, 10 seconds. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1. Lift off. What's going on? Okay, now lift off. Yes, it's jumped, guys, over the 175. Holy moly. If we held the 175, we're gonna go toward the $2. Otherwise, we're gonna go down. Undecision for IBG right now. 300% is going toward the 300%. DGLY, nothing much. SBFM is sideways. So yeah, the only one that look interesting and still jumping is IBG. We got Coinbase pulling back a bit. Guys, Coinbase could be really good for today for a reversal from this bottom. If the market reverse, of course. IBG, yeah, it's pulling back. No good here. Yeah, it pulled back before the $2, so it is too dangerous here. And I think it's halted down. So I'm gonna stay away from it. Yeah, now we might have a pullback market, man. Now we might have a pullback market for the market because everything is kind of pulling back. So we need a bit of time to find another pull play. Like yesterday, once we finish our live streaming, BIAF was really good. So we hunted for this one yesterday, guys. Jumped from the 98 and 1.26. It was great hunt for me yesterday. So today as well, if we got another play like this, we're gonna update you guys on Discord and Patreon. The link, I just have it on the comment section. However, if you're a bit lazy, I just put it here on the live chat section just in case if you miss it. So guys, tomorrow we're gonna do live streaming as usual around 7 a.m. Eastern time. So join us early because going in the pre-markets give you much opportunity and action before even the market open. And of course, after the market close or after we finish our live streaming, every time we do day trade. And remember, we have a swing trade for today, like what we did for today. Blackberry, because have bad earnings. And of course, now it reverse. We already discussed it here. Yes, for Blackberry before this reversal with our elite members. So remember, today we have another 4 swing trade, good ones for today after hours and tomorrow. Good stocks have interesting levels either to buy the dip like for Blackberry and make a nice reversal. You see, almost 16%. So don't say market is red. There's a chance to buy the right dip, not any dip. And if we have a squeeze up, we could have another strategy to buy the rep. So guys, join us on our Discord and Bitcoin where we discuss the swing trade for tomorrow and today and tomorrow. We're gonna do it here on the King Elite Swing Trade and Unicorn Hunt for the day trade. Thank you for watching, guys. Hit the like button on the way in or the way out, and of course, see you back by tomorrow. And of course, thank you for being a member. Thank you for the support in any way or shape or form by liking, by sharing, but by subscribing, by supporting us on Patreon, Discord, or even on YouTube membership. Thank you, guys. Shout out to everybody who support the community. Thank you. So see you all back by tomorrow. And remember, always there's always opportunity in the market. So then don't get hasty and FOMO if you miss today opportunity and trade with the Blackberry. Of course, if you missed the Blackberry dip, don't worry, there's always another opportunity. So thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.